Good morning everyone! I'm so excited for today's vlog kasi we're going to La Union again. I'm going with my senior high friends. Magka-catch up lang kami. Ang ganda ng catch up, no? La Union, Pap.
Ingat ha.
Bye! Ikaw na bahala dyan.
Be responsible.
Yes! Mukha ba akong hindi responsible? Naiwan kasi si Liam dito sa house. Siya lang mag-isa. Oh my gosh. We're with our emotional support, Squishmallow. I'm so excited. Let's go! I'm so obsessed with this song. Parang may gayuma yung mga kanta ni Sabrina Carpenter, no? Pero anyways, ayan, we just arrived here sa bahay ng friend ko. Hinihintay lang natin sila kasi dito yung meeting place namin. I'm so excited for this trip kasi hindi ako magda-drive. Ang drive ko lang yung papunta dito pero hindi ako magda-drive. I wasn't even planning on vlogging today. Ang plan ko lang is mag-TikTok. Puro TikTok content. If you haven't followed me there yet, it's at Not Cedric's. Hi! Hi everyone! Hindi yung mukha tayo makikipagbinyag. Mukha talaga kami makikipagbinyag. Tingnan nyo mo kung resort yung bahay nila. Hindi ito yung resort guys, bahay lang to. Hintayin lang natin yung may-ari ng bahay. Pero bahay lang to guys. Alright! Ito yung rich friend ko guys. Ito yung mayaman kong friend. Oh, promote mo na ang iyong business.
Hello, JD Cocktails, everyone.
Ano tong basa? Tingnan nyo naman guys, meron kaming dalang sari-sari store.
Thank you very much for my Gito line.
Ay, nakalimutan ko yung aking pack sunglasses.
I'd probably start with.
I like the way she smiles. She got me staring for a while. Got me staring for a while. Yeah, yeah. Baby, it's our conversation. She's my favorite notification. She knows how to dress for special occasions.
We're here again sa Crisante kasi this is the best affordable accommodation dito sa La Union.
Reservations on the Christine Salas. Dalawang glamping, tapos sa second day room type B.
Balance na lang po natin from 5,000.
Pero
Breakfast stop po natin mga for tomorrow from 8 to 10 p.m. Diyan lang po sa may restaurant.
Okay.
magkano i-withdraw mo sa akin?
Mga 5.
Bigyan mo na kung ano,
Agad na kami nagko-computer para walang kaligtaan na utang. So yan, mag-shoutout muna tayo. Sumunod kami sa last video. So shoutout kay Oh My Vicong, Benedict, Neil, lakas daw eh, Sub, Aljon, Julian, Glenn, Chris, Mark, and lastly kay JP. So yan, kung gusto nyo ma-shoutout, mag-comment na kayo. And yeah, back to the video. Sa dulong-dulo tayo mga glamping na to eh. We got the keys. Ayan oh, cute. Ang cute to. Glamping. Ito ang glamping room. Oh my gosh, glamping nga siya. Tapos, ito ang CR. Ganyan lang siya. It's very small. Ayan, when you go in, ayan lang siya. Super liit. Finally, natupad ng matagal na namin pinaplanong La Union, no? Ang tagal na, buti hindi na na-drawing.
At pang dalan.
We arrived here at Crisante. This is my favorite accommodation dito sa talaga La Union. Ang aesthetic kasi niya, parang yung bahay ko lang. As in, kamukhang-kamukha ng bahay ko. They're relatively affordable. Dahil fully booked, nag-book kami ng one night sa glamping nila. So, nakita nyo naman yung room, medyo maliit. The next night, lilipat kami dun sa parang may loft type nila. 1,275 times 2. Ayan lang kami each person sa accommodation. Yung sa transpo namin, ang papapicture nung computation namin, parang nasa 700 each lang kami. Kasya na yung 5K na budget actually. If nagbabalak kayong mag-La Union, I highly recommend Crisante kasi affordable siya, maganda. Kasi bagong gawa ata to, I think. Tingnan nyo naman yung exterior nyo. Nice. Super nice talaga dito. Dito kami magsistay for the night. Ayan, yung glamping rooms nila. So, ayan ang aming food. Courtesy of Asuncion de Gran Chicken Barbecue. Tsaka ano to? Masado.
I should tell her now would I ever. It is what it is, man, whatever. Whatever, yeah, whatever. I'm telling you now, it's whatever.
We're here at 3 p.m. kasi bumabagyo. We're back. Ay, grabe. Nangungurot yung init. Tingnan nyo naman kasi. Langit. It's black. Baka kasi umulan lang, hindi kami makapunta dito sa beach ng first day. Hi, Beth. Happy birthday. Calm ang ano ngayon. Calm ang waves. Hindi siya OA. It's so calm right now. Legit na calm before the sun. Tingnan nyo yung calm.
I'm telling you now, it's whatever. She keeps me close. In the friend zone? Yeah, but I don't mind it too much though. Why? If my feelings don't show, say it ain't so, man, you should know that I've been saying no. But maybe you're the one I've been looking for so long, so long. She got me thinking life could be better. These songs start to feel like love letters. I should tell her now, would I ever? It is what it is, man, whatever. I'm telling you now, it's whatever. Mixed signals, can't understand what she's been saying, but my mind's fickle, don't know what game I've been playing. Whatever, is it okay? Whatever, do you feel the same?
Ang puti naman nito sunscreen na to, Dominic. Ano? Hindi pang Korean kasi. Hi everyone, good morning. Dito kami sa beach. Swimming lang kami dito sa beach before breakfast. Kapag maganda-ganda yung araw kasi medyo maulan. Tingnan nyo, kahit cloudy pa din eh. Punta kami doon sa falls. Okay. Bye guys.
Couple of billionaires died inside a submarine. Would you go to that extent to get away from me? God knows we tried to talk it out, and if the rapture came right now, I'd be okay.
Hindi ko alam kung ano ito pinapasok namin. Bigla na lang kami nasa taas ng jeep. Roller coaster pala to, babe. Ano yan, babe?
I would have given everything if you would let me. I would have fought it out until I discovering the point where it went south.
Oh my gosh, andito na kami.
Was a therapist who opened up.
Sarap, kuya. Hello!
When you said this is what you wanted, did you mean just stealing?
Tangadan Falls, definitely a must try. Kapag pupunta kayo ng LU, punta kayo dito, be.
Worth it yung pagod.
Worth it, kahit super ngarag. Be, ito na. Stairway to Heaven. Pasalubong ni Liam. Ito lang ang request niya, back scratch. Haba-haba pa, be. Oh, final boss. Let's go. If nagbabalak kayong pumunta sa Tangadan Falls, ito yung mga kailangan yung tandaan. First, nag-tricycle kami mula dito sa Crisante hanggang dun sa San Gabriel. Pwede kayong mag-tricycle lang na yung local na tricycle. Nagpa-service kasi kami. Papunta pabalik, hinintay kami ni Kuya doon. 800 pesos. That's our first mistake. If meron naman kayong sasakyan, I highly recommend mag-drive na lang kayo papunta doon sa munisipyo ng San Gabriel. May parking naman doon. Doon magsisimula kasi yung tour. After nun, it's either magre-rent kayo ng motor or magre-rent kayo ng jeep. I highly recommend maghanap kayo ng kasabay nyo kasi makakamura kayo. Yung jeep is 1,800 pesos siya i-rent. Pero kung madami kayo, affordable lang siya. So kami, meron kami mga kasabay, kaya nakamura kami. Ang motor naman is 400 pesos per head. Mas mura talaga pag jeep kung madami kayo. Maghanap kayo ng kasabay nyong magtatangadan falls. Ang tour guide namin is 700 pesos siya. Ang tricycle ride from here to San Gabriel is 25 minutes. Yung jeep naman, mula San Gabriel hanggang dun sa falls na mismo, 35 minutes. Kapag kadating nyo dun sa Tangadan Falls, wala pa kayo sa falls agad. Meron pang hike na 10 to 15 minutes. And grabe, dun kayo maghanda. As in, super lala. Nakakapagod siya. Pero worth it naman kadating nyo dun sa falls. Wala akong masabi dun sa falls. Maganda talaga siya. Naging travel guide na tong vlog na to. Pero yun, if you're going to La Union, I highly recommend na pumunta kayo dun kasi worth it naman siya. Kasi kita nyo naman yung mga picture namin, diba? Oh. Ang ganda. We actually transferred rooms. So, dito na kami sa supposed to be na binook namin talaga. Kasi nakita nyo naman kahapon, super hindi spacious yung room na nabook namin yesterday. When you enter, apakalaki. Tingnan nyo naman, compare nyo naman dun sa room namin yesterday. So, ayan, merong living area dito. Ayan, tapos meron kaming sariling kitchen. Ito. Ay, ang laki ng CR, babe. Grabe naman, aesthetic naman dito. Wait lang, akit tayo. Ano to? Pinto. Hello? Ay, ayun. Ay, be, ang luwag. Ang ganda, guys. Ayan siya sa taas. Loft siya na bed. Tapos yan, ang dami magkakasya dito, oh. Nag-extra na lang kami ng bed. Wait lang, dapat ata patalikod bababa. Ayan, tingnan niyo yung room. Super ganda. Tapos, kare, ayan, good morning. Fully booked kasi. Super daming naglalaon yun lately. So, fully booked. Ayan. Tingnan nyo yung kitchen. Meron tayong mga lutuan. Ayan, pwede kami mamirito, pansit canton, ganun. Tapos meron din sila mga tasa-tasa, mga saucer. Pwede talaga kami magluto-luto. Oh, ang daming plato, be. Tapos may ref pa siyang kasama. I think sulit na tong room na to. For only, ipapop ko dito sa screen na to, yung computation na room na to. Pero maximum, I think, of 4 or 6. I'm not sure. Di ako sponsor ng Crisante, pero Crisante, baka naman. Gusto ko pang bumalik dito. We're at El Union. We're gonna try the viral, ano yun? Cheese. Grilled cheese. Ayun. One order ng cold brew mo. Available ba yung grilled cheese?
Yes, available.
Saan yung order?
So that's one cold brew mocha and one grilled cheese. 360. Ganda lang.
Magkano tayo doon?
147.
Each? I just filmed a TikTok video for this one. Pero ito, I ordered yung grilled cheese na viral sa TikTok and coffee. As usual, yung coffee nila, nananapak pa din. I'm wide awake. Ganun ang vibe niya. Mocha na yung in-order ko pero it's still strong. Look at the grilled cheese. Hindi tinipid sa cheese. We ordered pizza dito sa Kermit La Union. This is probably one of my favorite places to get pizza talaga. Nag-order lang kami ng Kermit pizza, yung may prosciutto. Nag-order ako ulit ng ube mama na bading. Tapos nag-order din sila ng coco mama. Pero ako talaga, prefer ko yung ube kasi favorite ko ang ube.
You fall a long way down. You're the only one this town has found for me. You got something I can't afford to lose. I'm running over under sky blue.
Okay, nandito kami sa famous 7-Eleven. Before we go to 7-Eleven, we're going to Silong. Bibili na kami ng dinner. Sinong nagbablog sa gitna ng daan? Silong. May take-out ba kayo, Ate?
Meron siya.
Take-out.
Take out na lang. Additional 10 pesos.
you po. Masarap daw dito yung tapsilog, tsaka yun, masarap daw yung tapsilog. So, kapag hindi masarap, may masasapok sa akin, no? So yan, we're back here sa hotel. I just want to remove everything. We just ordered mga takeout kasi nararamdaman talaga namin na uulan na be. And bumili lang ako ng aking favorite mineral water. It's already parang 6 past 6 and we're gonna eat dinner already. Tapos kapag nagutom later, meron tayong lutuan dito sa kitchen. Luluto kami ng pancit canton later. I'm so tired. Today is very tiring. May view tayo dito. Look. My neighbor. Here's for dinner. Ito na siya. So, I ordered tapsilog. I also ordered yan, luncheon meat. Nag-order sila ng bagnet kare-kare. And chicken inasal. So, yan yung breakfast namin. They bacon and eggs. Mamanamo.
Every single time you come.
Good morning everyone. So it's our last day here at La Union. And ayan, pumunta lang ako sa beach to film 2 more TikTok videos. Ayan, na-addict na talaga sa TikTok ang kuya nyo. Pero ayan, if di nyo pa ako pina-follow, follow nyo ako. It's at NotCedrics. But nandito ako ngayon sa beach. It's 9 AM. Pa-check out na din kami kasi mag-early check out kami para makapaglibot pa kami around dito sa La Union. So my outfit is from Shopee lang. Itong damit Shopee. Itong pants ko Shopee. And ang aking FitFlops na sandals na I'm really not sure if you can see it. Walang masyadong tao because it's a Tuesday. Malala dito, it's a Tuesday. Almost everything is closed ng Tuesday. I don't know why. Kung pupunta kayo ng La Union, huwag nyong isakto ng Tuesday kasi halos lahat talaga nakasara. I really love LU. Hindi man ganun din kalaki yung kailangan mong budget dito kasi everything is relatively affordable. Even yung stay namin. And yung food hindi din ganun kamahal. Mamimili lang talaga kayo ng pwedeng puntahan na or meron namang mga mahal, yung mga social katulad nitong Kabsat. Ganda oh. Tingnan nyo naman. Tingnan nyo naman saan ako nag-film ng TikTok. Sa gitna ng beach. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna go back. Napapanood nyo to. It's your sign. Punta na kayo ng LU. Diyos ko be. Bago ko pa na-vlog. Ubus na. Ayan yung in-order ko. It's chicken chops. Finally, we're home. Ayan, nakauwi na tayo galing La Union. It's been a long 3 days. I could really feel the pagod this time around. Bago natin i-end tong vlog na to, I just want to show you guys everything that I got from La Union kasi bumili ako ng mga souvenir. So, first one is this Tangadan Falls na fridge magnet. Ayan, I just have to, parang siyang medal na nakapunta ako sa Tangadan Falls. Nabili ko sa Clean Beach. Ayan siya. Ang ganda ng fridge magnet na to. From Wave Nomad. Sticker pack lang. For 150. I also bought this knot bracelet pala from Sundown. 50 pesos lang tong bracelet na to. This is so cute. Minimalist lang siya. I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog this time around. Sana nagustuhan nyo yung mga digicam pics natin. Ayan, and mga clips. Vibe talaga ng mga digicam photos and videos. Anyways, I'm just so tired. I wanna rest already. I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Bye-bye!